Hey everybody, welcome back to Cammy's Garage. You know, last week when I made that goblet, I thought it turned out pretty cool. So I pulled a couple more pieces of hickory off the bowl wall. I'm going to try to make a bowl with a base on it like this. So I'm going to turn these two rough bowls down and then glue them together. I don't have any more scraps of walnut that are big enough to glue in between them like I did with the goblet, but I do have lots of cedar, and I think this could provide some nice contrast. So I'm going to try to glue in a piece of this scrap cedar. Let's go. Well, I gotta say, I think I like how this turned out. I just put one coat finish on it so far, so I'm gonna come back and put more on it. It certainly is a pretty piece of wood. Unfortunately, I had several voids and cracks I needed to fill with some CA. There was a major check right here that I filled. But the imperfections, I think, is what makes the wood very pretty. I have lots more of these bowl blanks, so I will be doing similar things with them as well. So thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time in Cammy's Garage.